Daryl Dean Baldwin, file number 22-20778FH. This is the date and time set for sentencing in this matter. I have Brian Fry appearing on behalf of Mr. Baldwin, and I do have multiple people available from Michigan Department of Corrections. So, Mr. Baldwin, did you have an opportunity to read and review the pre-sentence report?
Yes, I have.
All right, Mr. Baldwin, have you had an opportunity to review that report with your attorney?
Yes, I have.
Are you satisfied with your attorney and the advice that he has given you?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Fry, do you wish to explain or challenge the accuracy or relevancy of any information in the pre-sentence report?
Your Honor, I would just note that the pre-sentence report indicates that I was an appointed attorney in this case. When in fact, Mr. Baldwin has retained me in this case.
Okay, so we will mark it that you were retained. Very good. All right, any other factual changes you would like to make to the report?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on a second. Let's see, I have. Nope. Okay. Let's see. All right, does the pre-sentence report disclose any prior convictions in which there exists any known constitutional defect?
No, Your Honor.
Probation Department has computed the minimum sentencing guidelines in this matter to be 0 to 11 months. Do you agree with that computation of guidelines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Fry, did you receive a copy of the victim impact statement in this case?
No, I did not, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Adams.
I can send it to him.
Okay, Mr. Fry, we're going to send that to you because that does impact what will be happening here today. So, so we're going to send that to you, and then you can take a moment to review that with Mr. Baldwin. So, Mr. Baldwin, I'm going to put you and Mr. Fry into a breakout room. All right.
All right.
So give me just a minute. Okay, I've opened up the breakout room. Why don't you click on join? All right, Miss Underwood, are you ready to proceed on Miss Hill? I'm gonna have to reschedule it.
I'm sorry.
Are you ready to proceed? Because I'm gonna have to reschedule it.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Hill.
Yes.
All right, so let me get my docket. Ms. Hill, all right, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Samika Irene Hill, file number 20-20040FH. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Ms. Hill, and I did receive a report from Ms. Walsh that she was unable to meet with you to prepare the pre-sentence report. Ms. Hill, do you understand that?
Yes, we were not able to meet because I had a broken phone at the time, which I informed Miss Underwood and you guys of because it was broken during the last hearing. I got a new phone and I called her and left her a message with my name and my number, and she never got back with me. And
It was way after the fact, Judge. I wouldn't have had time to prepare the pre-sentence report.
Okay, so Ms. Hill, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this for another day of sentencing. It's very important, if she doesn't, I understand that our probation and parole department is overwhelmed right now. So if you don't hear back, just keep calling. So I'm going to set this out for sentencing. Ms. Adams, can I do February 10? No, wait, let's see, 6. Can I do like February 2nd or 3rd?
February 3rd is good.
All right, so I'm going to set this for another sentencing date on February 3rd at 8:15 in the morning. Miss Walsh, do you want to speak with her to verify all your contact information?
Does Yes, that's fine.
Because I'm live on YouTube, so I don't want that out. All right, so Ms. Hill, February 3rd at 8:15, write that down. And then I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Walsh, and it's just important that you follow up with Ms. Walsh. So, let's see, I'm going to put, okay. All right, so you're gonna receive an invitation to join that breakout room, and then Ms. Hill, you can go on your way, all right? Did you get an invite, Ms. Walsh? What are you hearing?
Me? I have Scott Schwartz, Adam Gilbert, and Cody Miller. I also had Savia Hill, did her sentence in that film.
We adjourned it to February 3rd at 8:15.
Okay, thank you.
And you said Gilbert?
Yes.
Okay, so Mr. Goldstein, I do have Mr. Jackson. One second. Audio. Right, Mr. Goldstein, we did not receive the pre-sentence report until 3 p.m. yesterday. We did you receive a copy of it?
No, Your Honor.
So I apologize, and we have spoken to them about the fact that we need these a week in advance to provide to attorneys. So I do apologize to you about this. So I can do one of two things. I can email that to you today, or I can reschedule this. What would you like to do?
Your Honor, I have other matters this morning. By the way, I just assumed there was no pre-sentence report since this is a misdemeanor and not a victim's rights case, so a pre-sentence report isn't required. And I thought maybe they just didn't do one.
Well, because it was a misdemeanor, it's done by the district court probation department, and I believe in district court, they do them on all of them. And it does say that they tried to contact Mr. Jackson. And they left a message with his mother, but they weren't able to find him. So
Actually, Your Honor, I'm sorry, Your Honor, Mr. Jackson informed me this morning that he did have a conversation with the probation officer.
Okay, well, so let me get you another date, Mr. Goldstein.
Okay.
I already have the pre-sentence report, so we don't need to set it out very far. Miss Adams, what would be the next available date I have for sentencing available?
Okay. January 6th at 8:15.
Okay,
Are you available that day, Mr. Goldstein?
I'll make myself available, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Goldstein, I apologize again, and we will get this emailed over to you. And Mr. Jackson, I just need you to zoom back in on January 6th at 8:15.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be in
All right,
touch. Al.
thank you, Mr. Jackson. Thank you, Mr. Goldstein.
I'll call you, Alvin.
All right.
All right, so Miss Underwood, what are you ready on? Are you ready on anything?
I'm ready. I'm Mr. Miller. You're on.
Okay. All right, we got his file.
Hello, Your Honor.
Oh, Miss Hill, we're all set, so we'll see you back on February 3rd at 8:15.
Okay, I just had one question before I go.
Sure.
Was there any number for probation to maybe deal with a different person? Maybe I was being like very disrespected by Ms. Walsh just now. I'm not sure if she has, she made a remark also the last trial, a racist remark towards me. So I'm really not comfortable with speaking with her.
All right, so Ms. Hill, the only thing I can do, I don't have authority over the Michigan Department of Corrections because they don't work for me and I don't work for them, but I can give you the general number at their office.
Okay.
find it on my list.
And I did want to let you know that for a second time, I did give her my number. She has my contact information, but she said that she would speak to me whenever she felt like it. So
All right, well, today I know that we have a bunch of sentencings, so hold on a second. Okay, here we go.
I have
I'll
a
give you the
pen whenever
number.
you're ready.
Area code 517-264-4573.
4573.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Have a good
We'll see you
morning.
back on February 3rd at 8:15.
Thank you.
You said you're ready, Cody Miller?
I'm ready, you're on.